Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this new trending AI video. So if you want to join the latest AI video editing trend that's taking over social media, this 3D figurine video editing made by AI like this. As you know, this one is now blowing up on social media, especially TikTok. So in here, I'm going to show you how you can create this viral professional looking videos using AI, especially Google Gemini and VO 3, VO 2. So to be able to create this video, first you need to generate the 3D photo first, and here you can do it on the Google AI Studio or Google Gemini. So for example, I'm using this photos right here and I'm turning it into a 3D mini figurine by using this prompt. Create a 1:7 scale commercialized figurine of the character in the picture, and the figurine is placed on a computer desk, has a round transparent acrylic base, and on the computer screen there's a ZBrush modeling process of the figurine. And there's also a Bandai style tall packaging box printed on the next to the computer screen. And the packaging features two-dimensional flat illustrations. And once you use this prompt, you'll get this photo. And if you want to turn it into a video or you want to have motions on this photo, you can use the VO 2 on Google AI Studio. You can just go to this page, aistudio.google.com, and then head to generate media in here and choose the VO 2 options. And after that, you can just, so in here, I'm using this prompt to create this video. Two hands gently pick up the figure in a frame and rotate it slightly for inspection. And the model on the computer screen and the model printed on the packaging box remains stationary, while all other background elements stay unchanged. And here is how the video will look like. And if you want, you can also change the aspect ratio into a landscape like this, and also adjust the video durations to how you prefer it. So if you want to download the result, you can just click on this download button. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.